What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video here with Nick. We've got a bit of a special one today. We've got our dad's Porsche 911 that's been in the family for a very long time, coming close to 10 years now, and it's actually been in storage for the past 4 years. We've got Nick here. We're just taking it out of storage for the first time, and he's just giving it a quick wash just to wash all that dust off. And yeah, such a timeless look. How did it feel to drive it, Nick? Nick actually drove it here.
Yeah, it felt amazing.
Yeah.
Obviously none of the modern power options, no power steering, no boosted brakes, nothing like that. But it's a nice car to drive. Nice easy clutch. Love that air-cooled sound, turns a lot of heads.
Yeah. We'll show a bit more of the sound after too.
Definitely a timeless car. Giving it a quick wash now. Just a safe wash, nice safe wash. Rinse it down, 2-bucket method. Soap it up. Nothing too special. Hasn't been driven, so it doesn't need paint correction. So yeah, give it a nice quick wash. Put some maybe bumper and trim protection, some gel. With some
look at him in the corner. Yep.
So with some wheel protection. That's it. Drive it for a bit. Rinse it off. Put it back into storage.
A good buddy over here, watching the boys wash the car. Hey bud! Hey buddy! He's such a good boy. He's camera shy. Whenever I put the camera on his face, he just turns around, doesn't bar a bit. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, bud? Isn't that right? Such a good boy. How beautiful you are. I know it's a bit random starting the video off with the Porsche because we haven't actually featured it on the channel before, but some of you that follow us on Instagram would have seen the latest reel of the Porsche that we put up, which was pretty cool. It's a bit of a teaser, but now we've taken it out for the first time, so we're going to be doing a few videos on that.
This is our 1974 Porsche 911 SC. It's an original Australian compliance car. It's a one-of-a-kind Targa Top 911 Porsche that we picked up probably 10 years ago now. It's got a full OEM restoration with brand new headlights, OEM garnishes, OEM trims and rubbers. And today we've decided, you know, it's a nice summer day out here in Australia, in Sydney. We're going to take it for a nice little cruise, open up the engine a bit, get it revving, get that air-cooled engine. Beautiful, classic car. It's got the original wheels. Coming here to the interior, it has a Momo Prototipo steering wheel. It's got the OEM seats, which have been retrimmed with genuine leather, with perforated centers and red stitching to match the car, and same with the back seats. It's got that beautiful manual 5-speed gearbox, which has a new clutch and new seals. As you can see, the door trims have been redone as well. It's just a really nice OEM spec sort of build. It's a really nice sounding car as well. That air-cooled sound is just unmistakable. It has a straight piped exhaust, no mufflers, which just sounds fantastic. I'll get Andrew to start it in a second.
Start up for you guys, so you guys can listen to that awesome sound.
Yeah.
It's literally got the extractors coming straight off the engine and just coming straight out the tailpipe. So it has such amazing.
It's a really nice sounding car. So we'll get that started now in a second.
Some car to drive. So now we'll jump in. Actually, before we jump in, I'll give it a start up. I'll give you guys a bit of a sound test, and then we'll take it for a drive.
Alright.
listen to that exhaust note in the back. Amazing, guys. Now we're gonna go fill up on some fresh fuel. She's running on empty. Hasn't even had a tank of petrol in the last 5 years. We're just gonna put some fresh batch of fuel in her, and then we'll take her for a bit of a rip before we close her back up.
We even got the little puppy here admiring. The puppy wants to have a look as well.
He's up on the back window.
Hey puppy!
What a mad sound. You never get bored of that sound. I could drive this car for hours and hours, and to some people it will give them a headache, but to me, just music to my ears, guys. Look at that. How amazing. Such a 1970s greatness.
Such a nice car.
Listen to this diesel. Ready, guys? So well around the corners, guys. Look at that.
Such a nice car.
Alright guys, we gave a visit to Perry and the boys there, had a coffee with them. Now we got Nick right now in the driver's seat, taking it for a drive back home.
Put some of the vintage sunnies on.
Yeah, so we both had our fair share of driving it. Such a blast to drive, guys. And let us know if you guys like Porsche content, if you guys want to keep seeing more Porsche stuff. Leave us comments down below and we'll maybe start doing more videos on the Porsche, because our channel's mainly focused around all the JDM sort of stuff. And the Porsche is pretty much the only Euro that we've got on the channel. So if you like what you see, if you want to see more, let us know what you want to see, what you want us to do with the Porsche. And if there's much interest in it, then we'll start maybe doing much more videos on the Porsche. But for now, on the drive back home, we're just going to enjoy some amazing noises coming out of this beautiful 2.7 litre naturally aspirated boxer motor.
Air-cooled boxer motor.
Air-cooled boxer motor, that's right, you can't forget about the air-cooled.
I think it's time that the poor girl rests for a bit as well.
Just like that. What a beaut.